Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use the Polyline half width command in AutoCAD to draw an arrow. An arrow has a thick head and a thin tail. Here is how to draw one step by step. Okay, let's get started. Polyline shortcut is PL. Okay, I'm going to type PL, press enter. Okay, specify start point. Specify start point. I'm going to select this point. Click here and help with shortcut is H, or we can select this option. Specify starting help with 5. Press enter and specify ending with 10. Press enter. Okay. Specify next point. I'm going to click this point and select help with this option 0. Specify starting help with 0. Press enter. Specify ending help with 4. 0. Press enter. Okay. Next point, I'm going to click and this point. Press enter. The next one, Polyline shortcut, type in PL, press enter. Specify start point. I'm going to click this point. Select this option. Specify start help with 0. Press enter. Ending help with 9. Press enter. Specify next point. I'm going to click this point and select this help with option. Starting help with 0. Press enter. Ending help with 0. Press enter. Next point, I'm going to click next point. Specify next point. Click this point. Okay. Press enter. An arrow has a thick head and a thin tail. Here is how to draw one step by step using Polyline command